And now it's time for Condiment Corner with your host, Sandwich Dad.
Hello, I'm Sandwich Dad, and welcome to Condiment Corner. Today, Ajvar from Eastern Europe, the Balkans. This one here is a product of Bulgaria. From what I understand, it's a common fall and winter condiment over in that area of the world, made from peppers and eggplants. I've been asked to try this for a while, so why don't we go and make a sandwich?
The person who recommended this, guitar guy, I can't remember his name. Make yourself known, I'll tag you in the comments. He suggested the best way was to just use some goat cheese and then grill it like a grilled cheese sandwich.
First, of course, we should taste it so we don't put too much on. That is lovely. Not too spicy. I think I can handle a little bit.
So let's Ajvar it up, shall we? Goat cheese on the next piece, and combine. Butter it up, and into the pan. And of course more butter on the top side. Flip with a butter knife. All right, looks pretty perfect. Now we cut diagonally, and let's have a look. Looks pretty good to me. For the taste test, we'll go back to Condiment Corner. I love it. I should have put a bit more on even. Very good. If any of you have suggestions on how else I should use this Ajvar, let me know in the comments. And if you have a beloved regional condiment you'd like to send in for Condiment Corner, please do so. Tell them how, voiceover Sandwich Dad. Thanks, Sandwich Dad. Specialty condiments may be mailed to Box 21310, Whitehorse, Yukon, Y1A 6R5, Canada. I hope you've enjoyed this installment of Condiment Corner. This is Sandwich Dad. Good day!